Hi, friends. I found something amazing and I just had to share it with you. The design? It's chic, elegant, and perfect for any decor. And the price? Unbelievably budget-friendly for the quality it offers. This product is incredibly versatile. It fits beautifully in your home, office, or as a standout gift. Want all the details? They're in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're always up to date with my best finds.